This is the case, Mr. Wilson.
Okay, thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here today to request that the court reduce my child support that I currently pay my ex-wife. Currently, I pay $800 a month, but up until last year, I worked for the city, and now I'm currently self-employed, and I make considerably less money. So I was requesting that my child support be lowered to reflect that.
Before we go any further, where is Mrs. White?
I don't know.
You sent her notice that she was supposed to be here today, right?
Yes, she was served.
Okay. So I guess she didn't understand how serious.
Before this courtroom story begins, stop for a moment. If you enjoy real courtroom drama, real judges, and real consequences, subscribe to this channel now. These cases are not movies, they are real lives being changed in minutes. Like this video so it reaches more people. And share it with someone who thinks court cases are boring. Trust me, this one isn't. Every subscribe helps us break down legal moments that decide money, responsibility, and futures. Watch till the end because this case proves one powerful lesson.
Understand how serious this was today. All right. So you said that you used to work for the city.
Yes.
And now you're self-employed.
Yes, I am.
And what do you do self-employed?
I own a tow truck business company.
Okay. Are you making more money or less money now?
I'm making less money. I have a lot more expenses being self-employed, but I make less money.
All right, all right. So based on what you provided to the court, you have some receipts
Yes, I do.
showing what you pay in what daycare expenses. I also see a 1099 here that you have from workers. You have what, 2 employees?
The courtroom rises as Judge Thunderbeat takes the bench. The case is Wilson versus White. Mr. Wilson steps forward, asking the court to reduce his child support. He explains that he once worked for the city but left the job last year. Now he is self-employed and earns significantly less. He currently pays $800 a month and claims the amount no longer matches his income. The judge immediately notices something critical. Mrs. White is not present. The court confirms she was properly served notice, yet chose not to appear.
Yes.
Then I'm also seeing a tax return here. Based on this tax return, I have your earnings. It has gone down. It has gone down. I have you at about $3,700 now.
Yes, that's about
gross.
right. I make about $47,000 a year.
All right, so you say you pay $200 a month in health insurance?
For him, yes.
And this is for him only, full
Yes.
coverage for only him, not you and him.
Yeah, it's about, with both of us, it's about $450.
Okay, just want to make sure because you don't get any credit for yourself. It's only credit for health insurance for your son. You
Understood.
understand that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The judge questions Mr. Wilson about his new work. He now owns a tow truck business. He explains that while self-employment sounds flexible, it brings heavy expenses and lower profit. The court reviews receipts, daycare costs, and a 1099 showing he employs to workers. This isn't just conversation documents matter. Every receipt, every form tells a financial story. The judge carefully compares his former city income with his current earnings. In child support cases, proof is everything. The court must decide whether this career change legally justifies reducing support for a child.
So based on that, I have your net and giving you credit for the $200 that you pay in health insurance for your son. Comes out to about $2,834.23, which would bring your new child support amount to $566.85.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Mr. Wilson, I do appreciate you being here today and being timely. Thank you. I didn't want you to think that just because Mrs. White decided not to show up today for court, that the court could not move forward. Because in Texas courts, once you are served, you're on notice with a hearing.
Attention turns to tax records. The judge reviews Mr. Wilson's tax return and confirms his income has dropped. His monthly earnings are now around $3,700, about $47,000 annually. Then comes health insurance. Mr. Wilson pays $200 monthly for his son's coverage. The judge clarifies an important rule: only the child's insurance counts, not the parents'. After confirming the amount, the court applies the credit. Small details carry big weight here. One number can shift the final decision by hundreds of dollars.
You have to appear, and if you do not appear, the other side who's bringing the case does still have the opportunity to ask the court for some sort of relief. So you're here today asking for your child support to be reduced. You submitted evidence to support your stance. She had the opportunity to be here and contest whatever it was that you submitted in court, your 1099s, your tax return, even some of the receipts that you provided. But it was a missed opportunity for her because she decided not to come to court.
After recalculating everything, the judge announces the ruling. Mr. Wilson's child support is reduced to $566.85. The judge then makes a crucial point. Mrs. White's absence does not stop the court from moving forward. In Texas, once a party is properly served, the hearing continues. Mr. Wilson provided evidence. She had the chance to challenge it but didn't appear. That absence mattered. The judge reminds the court silence is not protection. If you don't show up, decisions may be made without you.
Court. So in the future, whenever you need to come back to court, maybe to change your order, life change or something like that, just make sure that you always send notice to that other person, because you are able to still receive some sort of relief although they fail to show up. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything further?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're
The judge offers final advice. Life changes jobs, income, circumstances, but legal responsibility remains serious. Any future changes require proper notice to the other party. Even if they fail to appear, the court can still grant relief. Mr. Wilson confirms there's nothing more to add. The case is dismissed. A quiet ending, but a loud lesson. Court rewards preparation and presence. If you found this case informative, subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. Like and share the video. For brand sponsorships or collaborations, contact ARHABSHAHID8 at gmail.com.